Tired of crumpled tissues in your purse? Let's fix that with a quick and easy Serger tissue case. This scrap-busting project keeps tissues neat and ready to go. Hi Serger Bees, I'm Sookie, your Serger coach, here to help you build confidence with your Serger one stitch at a time. This quick and easy tissue case is perfect for beginners. It features squared corners, a fully lined interior, and a fun peekaboo lining detail, all made entirely on your Serger in just a few minutes. It's a great way to build precision while stitching something practical and stylish. Download the step-by-step instructions using the link in the description, and you'll also be added to the Serger Loop, my weekly newsletter packed with pro tips and inspiration. Now, grab your Serger and let's get stitching. Materials for this project, I recommend using quilting cotton with a non-directional print for easy construction. Here's what you'll need. One 5.5 inch by 7 inch outside piece shown in blue floral print. One 5.5 inch wide by 7 inch lining piece shown in yellow. When it comes to setting up your Serger, we're keeping it super simple. You'll need a 4-thread overlock stitch, standard Serger thread in the upper and lower loopers, as well as both needles. If you need a refresher on threading your Serger, check out my How to Thread a Serger video. The link will be included in the instructions. And for this project, we're aiming for a 1/4 inch seam allowance, except for on the corners where you'll be doing about a 3/8 inch seam allowance. If you need help adjusting for seam allowance on a Serger, check out my seam allowance tutorial. The link will also be in the instructions. Place the outside and lining pieces right sides together and clip them in place with Wonder Clips. Because let's be real, clips are way easier than pins when working with a Serger. Serge along both short ends using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, trimming just a little as you go. Clip your thread tails at both ends. But here's a fun trick. Try using the Serger blade to snip them off. It's a great garment industry hack to keep the machine moving smoothly. Time to press those seams flat. This step is always worth it because it helps the threads and fabric relax into place. I like to say this is where they become BFFs, so give them a moment to settle in. Now turn the fabric right side out. But wait, don't just line up the seams perfectly. Instead, shift them slightly so the seam allowances push outward. This creates a fun peekaboo effect where the lining peeks out on the outside and the outer fabric shows a little on the inside. Press again to set those seams in place. With the peekaboo lining on the left side, fold the piece in half so the raw edges align. Overlap the top finished edges by a 1/4 inch and clip them in place. This will create the tissue opening. Serge both side seams, trimming just a little, and clip your thread tails at both ends. Press those seams flat. This helps everything lay nicely and makes turning the corners easier in the next step. Now let's square off the corners. Fold the side seams away from the opening, positioning them to create a squared off shape at each end. Mark 3/8 inch from the edge of each corner. This will guide where to serge and will result in trimming off about 1/8 inch of material. Serge across each marked line, trimming about 1/8 inch to secure the squared shape. Clip the thread tails at all ends to keep everything clean and tidy. Turn the case right side out. Use a bamboo point turner to help get nice, crisp points as needed, and give it a final press. Insert your tissues, pull one from the center, and just like that, you've got a stylish Serger-made tissue case. And now that you've finished a wonderful Beginner Serger project, I've got another one right here for you to give a try. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye.